You will be viewed as the best to ever do it. This is in regards to your career, to the way that you live your life, your love life, your hobbies, whatever you put your mind to, my darling, you make sure you achieve it. And the thing about you is that you're not competing with anyone. You're competing with yourself. And just when you have accomplished a goal, you set yourself another target. You allow yourself permission to go after the life that you want. And many people admire you. Many people aspire to be like you. You are influential. You are different. You are distinct. You give people hope. You make people believe that dreams can actually do come true. You are the standard. You have achieved, or you will achieve, things in large proportion. You will get to experience things that people can only dream of. You will be the first in your town or your city, even your family, to achieve the unthinkable. You will gain public recognition for your talents and skills. You are a natural leader. You are very visible, even at times if you feel like you are in the shadows. Your energy radiates regalness, power. People feel like you are in a position of authority, regardless of your job. And Spirit is saying you may be worried about your financial situation right now, and that's understandable. But you will get yourself out of this situation. You are destined to become a King of Pentacles, regardless if you are a female or a male listening to this. You will be financially stable in this life. Someone with your skills and attributes is destined for success. You have success written all over your energy. People can sense it. People can see it. People assume that you are rich. And some of you are thinking, but, I'm struggling financially. I'm trying to make ends meet, this, that, and the other. But your energy signature radiates success, abundance. And the reason being is because, my darling, you are abundant within. And if you have that juicy, abundant energy flowing freely within you, that abundant energy that is of creativity, you are a master manifester. So Spirit is urging you to dream big, because with your abundant energy, you can attract big. You were gifted these traits and these qualities for a reason. You are a big deal. And many people want to collaborate with you, whether that's in a relationship or in a business partnership, even in friendships. And for some of you, I'm guided to say you may have two kings that are interested in you. A King of Cups and a King of Pentacles. And for some of you, if you date the same gender, same could apply. You are an individual that is not afraid to walk away from what you have outgrown. You have gone through more than most could actually cope with. And for some of you, you are on the cusp of walking away from, or you have walked away from a group setting, a dynamic that no longer serves you. These individuals serve their purpose for a time. You have elevated. Your frequency has changed. When you were surrounded by these individuals, they kept you at a stuck state. There was no evolution. It wasn't an accident because you were at a time in your life whereby you may have had to do some shadow work and healing. And you were vibrating off a certain frequency, which these individuals were vibrating from the same frequency also. But the difference is with you is that you are elevating, or that you have elevated, and they are still stuck. And for some of you, there's no beef, there's no ill will, but on a soul's level, you know that you have outgrown these individuals. You're starting to move in different circles now. You're starting to believe in many possibilities, love, generational wealth. You're starting to have different conversations now with people in positions of power. That have the same mindset, that growth mindset, that wealth mindset. You don't want to be around individuals that just sit and gossip and talk about others all day. You've been there, you've done that, and you're bored. You're walking away. For some of you, people are latching onto your energy. They don't want you to leave them behind. They benefited off your energy, but they were energetically draining your life force. You have many people, many admirers that are into you. And some individuals believed that they could have an opportunity with you, or you have that personality whereby you're open to all. You have many friends, many people that want to date you, many people that just love your energy. And for some of you, you have grown cautious right now. Because some people who were not there at your low moments want to attach themselves to you when they hear of your gains, or now that you are winning. You are the best to ever do it because you have the capabilities to make a self-proclaimed bachelor or bachelorette want to commit, want to be the King of Pentacles for you, or the King of Cups. You have the ability to dismantle toxic connections, foundations, just by the energy that you exude. Structures that were built of faulty ground. You have come and you have abolished or exposed the real from the fakes. The fake leaders in environments, in family dynamics, in workplaces, in groups, clubs, organizations. You have exposed, or you have the capability of exposing the truth. Just by being in your authentic state, you hold a mirror up to individuals, especially those that were lurking in the darkness and using underhanded means to control, dictate, manipulate. You leave these individuals who thought they were powerful to see themselves as a page in your presence. You are the best to ever do it because you have the capabilities to awaken people to their toxic family dynamics just by spreading love. You have connected, or you will connect, individuals who have closed off their heart to slowly finding ways of opening up their heart chakra, pouring themselves into their creativity, finding a hobby after a long time. And many people may feel like, how did you do it? This person is so stubborn. This person is hard to reach emotionally. But because of your center, your core, who you are as a person, you have the capability of doing so. You also have the capabilities of allowing a person who has been brokenhearted to love again. Especially when they felt like their previous partner was the best thing. But when they connect with you as a friend, in a romantic sense, all that goes out of the window, because the love that you give is something out of a movie. It's something that they've never experienced. And when they connect with you, they feel like they're in their own romance novel. And what they held on to in the past, they start to see it for the truth, that it was a burden. And you allow people to let go of the past for good. Whether that's toxic exes, toxic friends, and you are considered the best